I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to your 14-day stop. 1, 2, 3, action. So just take a look at these ingredients. The shallots are tiny, look at them. So all of those little 4 shallots on that little side makes one whole shallot. From my opinion back home in Australia, I'm in Indonesia right now, they're very tiny. Big. Now if you can't get a hold of these beautiful babies, you can use a red onion and cut it up very finely. Now chilli is definitely optional, it's up to you. If you don't want to use chilli, you don't have to. I love it, we love it, don't we? Yeah, we love it. It's a must. Be careful of the seeds because they can flick up into your eye. And you can use dried chilli flakes for sure, you don't have to use fresh. And just run your knife through like this, get it nice and semi kind of finely chopped. Okay, I definitely want to put my stove on while I'm waiting. While that's happening. This is such a good recipe. I'm even hungry thinking about it. Grate your garlic. It makes life so much easier than trying to chop these little tiny little morsels up. Okay, so you're left with these little bits of pieces and you don't want to keep grating because you're going to grate your fingers off, right? So what I do is I just tap that and I grab this and just run my knife through the garlic and sit that with the onion. And then the ginger. Makes life so much easier when you grate garlic and ginger. Oh my God. That's the thing with plant-based cooking, hey, people just don't want to cut it all up and I get it. So the more we can do things like this, the better. And the whole dish will taste like, real strong onion. Okay, pan is on, everything's ready. I've got my coriander, my garlic, my ginger, red onion or shallot, chili, coconut sugar, tamari, apple cider vinegar. I've got my limes ready. I've got my beautiful heart of napa cabbage or Wong cabbage. And I've got my tofu, and I'm going for hard tofu. This is beautiful, fresh, handmade tofu. It's quite amazing actually. And the next thing we want to do is put some oil in that pan. And the pan needs to be hot. And next, you want to grab a bowl. It's super important because tofu has high water content, so you want to be really careful here. Break it up just in your hands like this. Just allow it to just fall apart. And this is going to act like our meat. And in the pan, you're going to add your red shallots or red onion, along with your chili. And your tofu is going to sit on top of that, like that. My eyes are starting to swell up. We want to get as much water content out of that as possible. Seriously. And my stove is on high heat, and you need to manage your heat. Is your heat too high when it's on high? Is it too low? It just depends. We don't want it to burn, but we want all that water content to come out. I've got the ginger and the garlic here, just waiting, because I don't want to put it in now. If I put it in now, that flavour will wash away. Nothing's burning and nothing's sticking, as you can see. Nothing's sticking to the pan, it's just beautiful. Okay, you just You really want to get that water content out, and I love to shake the pan just by moving things around. And I've noticed just here on the end it's starting to stick, so I turn my pan that way so the heat can get over to that side. It's just one of those things with stoves, you know, they're cray-cray. Everybody's stove is different. That water content's really coming out now. Just gotta sit back and wait. Know that dinner's coming. Know that we're using this Napa cabbage and using it up, and that's the whole thing, and creating lovely little boats so everybody can have a delicious, yummy situation together. While you're waiting, grab a plate, preferably not making too much noise, and just lay your cabbages on there. Oh, yummy. Okay, now most of that water content has come out, so now you're going to add the coconut sugar, your garlic and your ginger, apple cider vinegar, and the tamari. Oh, that's amazing. That scent's just beautiful. I want that to all soak into the tofu. And let that just absorb into that tofu and allow any moisture that's left there just to run away and disappear, and all that delicious acidity of the apple cider vinegar and the saltiness of the tamari, it's just gonna just bring it home with that onion and garlic. And if I would have put the tamari and the apple cider vinegar in first, especially with this tofu because it was quite wet, would have all washed away. So now it's really coming along nicely actually. It looks like chicken. It really does. You want to have a taste? Oh, that's beautiful. A little bit of salt. Oh, that's so nice. Just the acidity of the apple cider vinegar, you know, it just really is beautiful. And that coconut sugar. Okay. That is looking amazing. In goes the coriander. Off the heat. Oh my gosh, it's just delicious. Oh my gosh, that's a photo in itself. I'm so excited. And then you want some lime in there. And the acidity of the lime, oh, just balances out the apple cider vinegar. It's amazing. Fabulous. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. And then straight into your boats. Dinner for two. Look at that. This would be me and you, Dee.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Doing this challenge together, yeah?
Let's do this.
I know, right? And that's it. That is a beautiful, oh my God, just so quick and easy, really. It's all a matter of just layering those flavors and allowing everything to do its dance in the frying pan and just giving yourself an opportunity to continue on this challenge. Please continue on, because these recipes are just so delicious. Oh, okay, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna sit down and eat, and I'll see you in the next video. It just looks so damn good. The more lime, the better, right? And then, this is what I like to do. Just kind of get into a little situation like that. Oh, I can't speak. It's really good. It's so tasty. The sweetness of the coconut sugar, the tang of the apple cider vinegar and lime, the deliciousness, is that even a word, of the tamari. I can definitely smack down 2 of those easily. Enjoy your dinner, everybody. I'll try that again. Now I've started eating, I can't stop. And that's what I hope for you at home, is to feel the same way. It's like, I can't stop, I can't talk to you. This is amazing.